Hello, everyone. My name is Miss Mary. Today, I will show you how to ride a bicycle.
Before riding, always check your bicycle. Make sure the tires and brakes are good.
First, always wear your helmet to stay safe. The helmet should be tight but comfortable.
Now I put on my elbow pads. They protect my elbows if I fall. And now I put on my knee pads. They protect my knees.
Always look forward. Do not look down.
Sit on the bicycle and keep one foot on the ground. To turn, move the handlebars slowly. When you want to stop, press the brakes slowly. Very good. Now you know how to ride a bicycle.
Keep pedaling slowly and stay balanced.
Goodbye, everyone. I hope you had fun learning how to ride a bicycle. Stay safe, keep practicing, and see you next time.